Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at the SOUNDPEATS Air5, which are the semi-in-ear earbuds, and these are going to offer some really cool features that I definitely think we should take a look at. So these are going to be packed with that dual certified Snapdragon Sound and Hi-Res, but make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video so we can go through all the microphone quality, battery life, and everything. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the SOUNDPEATS Air5 aptX lossless wireless earphones. These are going to offer you that Type-C for charging, and it's going to have the cable inside. It's also going to have the charging case inside. You're also going to be getting that user manual. Extended warranty is going to be available with this set. And so when you take a look at the contents inside, it's going to be very professionally wrapped, which is cool. It's also going to give you some really cool stickers that you could probably put like on a laptop or maybe your wallet. So yeah, that's going to be definitely a nice little touch. So yeah, the unboxing experience is going to definitely be pretty solid. You're also going to get the short Type-C cable so you can get these charged up pretty quickly. And then it does come equipped with a 13mm driver with a diaphragm made of a combination of Japanese imported paper pulp, biofiber, and composite PU, which is going to deliver clean and natural sound. Additionally, the earbuds have a battery feature, which is a ring-shaped nickel plate designed to reduce interference with the speaker, cutting down background noise approximately by 28%. And so yeah, as far as the SOUNDPEATS Air5, they're definitely going to be delivering that lossless sound quality, 24-bit, 96 kilohertz without any loss of quality, which is going to give you a very enhanced listening experience. And also these do support SBC high definition as well as AAC codecs, versatile listening options, so you can choose between which one you actually prefer. Now when it comes to pairing these up, it's going to be pretty straightforward because these have that lift lid pairing option. So all you have to do is lift up the top and these automatically pair up. You're going to get a little animation which is going to actually tell you to install the warranty. And so you're going to get all the features on here as well. So you're going to get 5 different ear canal options, so it's going to be a different listening experience for each one. You also do get the customization of the button, so you can tailor the touch controls to your own personal preference. You do get the option for turning off the button control, so when you're sleeping with these headphones you won't have any mistouches. And so they also do combine the EQ option on here, so you can actually tailor your own or use some of the presets. So yeah, these are definitely going to be pretty versatile when it comes to the listening experience. With the Air5s, these are going to give you that ultimate ear design. It's also going to provide a better fit to the ear, ensuring a secure wear. Each earphone is going to be about 3.8 grams, which is super lightweight, with their signature lightweight design, which is nearly weightless. So when you're using these, you won't have to worry about these feeling any discomfort when you're using them. You're actually getting 30 hours total when it comes to the battery case, 24 hours of recharge and 6 with a single use. You also do get Type-C charging, two-way communication, so the app offers real-time display of the headphones and the charging battery level on here, which is going to be very useful. You also do get support with the Peats app, which is going to be useful. You also do get IPX5 waterproof, so if you're exercising, it's going to prevent sweat from entering the interior, and so that's going to be also extremely useful when using these. Another feature that I do like is that these do support multi-point connection, so you can actually use them with 2 different devices at one single time. So to charge the earphones up to 100% is about 1.5 hours of time, and to charge up the case to 100% is going to be 2 hours completely. And so these have a 3rd generation Qualcomm chip, which is going to actually give you very good frequency and also very detailed audio. And so you also do get the aptX, which is going to be lossless quality, so you can definitely experience some very good detail when it comes to listening to music. And so for the price of these headphones, I definitely going to recommend these because it's going to offer a very good experience when it comes to the detailed audio, and so you won't really experience any drawbacks. Hey, what's up? So I'm using the microphones on the SOUNDPEATS Air5. Let me know what you guys think about the overall quality. While I'm talking, let me know if you can actually hear me. There's some ACs right here on the side, so let me know if you can actually hear my voice over those background noises and a little bit of wind coming in on the side. But yeah, I'm just giving you a quick microphone test so you can actually hear the microphones on the SOUNDPEATS Air5. Let me know what you guys think about the overall quality when it comes to using these. But yeah, I could definitely say that these have really good sound quality when it comes to listening to these things, because it has aptX audio, which is going to be really good for surround sound and also very good detail. And so yeah, let me know what you guys think about the overall microphone quality. But yeah, we're gonna do a indoor test with the microphones as well as some other scenarios. Make sure you guys stay locked in. If you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. And so yeah, I definitely think the SOUNDPEATS Air5 are gonna be good for the overall audio with the Snapdragon Sound and the Hi-Res audio wirelessly. And so these are going to be very lightweight and also versatile with the Peats app. And as far as the noise cancellation, it's not going to cancel out every single noise, but it will do a good job of canceling out background noises.
Hey, what's up? Right now I'm actually driving, but I'm recording using the microphones on the SOUNDPEATS Air5. I'm actually in a car and the windows are down, so you'll be able to kind of get the background noise. But a lot of the times when I'm using microphones to talk, I'm driving in a car, so I just want to give you an idea of this, what it would sound like in this scenario while I'm using the microphones in the car to talk through these. So let me know what you guys think about the overall quality on the SOUNDPEATS Air5, and let me know what you guys think overall when you use these while driving.
Yeah, obviously in environments when you're in a car and you're driving with the windows down, it's going to be a little bit more muffled with the sounds around you. But let me know what you guys think about the indoor sound quality. Hey, what's going on? So this is an indoor microphone test using the SOUNDPEATS Air5. So I just want to let you guys give a quick audio sample of what it would sound like using the microphones indoors versus using it just like, you know, when it just comes to an outdoor environment. So let me know what you guys think about the microphone quality in an indoor environment. And so yeah, I definitely think this is going to be a pretty solid pair of headphones. They're on the 3rd generation of the Qualcomm S3 audio platform. They have the aptX lossless audio decoding, AI adaptive environmental noise cancellation with AI wind reduction, AI call noise reduction, as well as the Bluetooth 5.4 with the QCC chip, 6 hours of battery life with 30 hours with the case. They also do offer that, you know, dual connection for multiple devices. So I definitely think these are going to be a solid pair of headphones for the price point. But if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew.